Here we're being asked to support Paredes' argument, whatever that may be. So we're going to read on the left, and then we're going to try to highlight, or not try to, but actually highlight for clear reference, Paredes' argument. In the 20th century, ethnographers made a concerted effort to collect Mexican-American folklore, but they did not always agree about that folklore's origins. Scholars such as A.E. claimed that Mexican-American folklore derived largely from the folklore of Spain. Well, this is not Paredes, which ruled Mexico and what is now the southwestern United States from the 16th to early 19th centuries. Scholars such as A.P. Paredes, who we're looking for, by contrast, argued that while some Spanish influence is undeniable, Mexican-American folklore is mainly the product of ongoing interactions of various cultures in Mexico and the United States. And since there's a direct contrast here, I'm probably going to want to highlight AE's position in pink, knowing that if I weaken that position, I strengthen Paredes' position. So, starting with choice A, the folklore that the ethnographers collected included several songs written in the form of a decima, a type of poem originating in late 16th century Spain. Well, that supports Espinoza. Goodbye to A. Choice B, much of the folklore that the ethnographers collected had similar elements from region to region. Okay, were those elements pertaining to Mexico and the United States or Spain and Mexico? I have no idea. So this phrasing, similar elements from region to region, need additional information. Goodbye to B. Choice C, most of the folklore that the ethnographers collected was previously unknown to scholars. Again, was that from Spain or from the US? I have no idea. Then choice D, most of the folklore that the ethnographers collected consisted of corridos, ballads about history and social life of a clearly recent origin. Well, we know that the ongoing interactions are Paredes. Espinoza says 16th and 19th centuries. So a clearly recent origin would support Paredes only and is our correct answer for number 11.